Now the 7 makruh acts during tawaf. Number 1, useless talking. Number 2, to make dua and zikr aloud. Therefore, it is makruh that a person recites dua aloud during tawaf and others also repeat it aloud. Number 3, to perform tawaf in impure clothes. As a caution, don't carry used shoes, slippers with you during tawaf. Number 4, to perform tawaf with longer intervals in between the rounds of tawaf. However, there is no harm if one need to go to the toilet or the make wudu. He may leave. He should resume tawaf from where he had left. There is no need to restart from the beginning. Number 5, to start the next tawaf without offering the 2 rakat salah of the previous one. However, if the time is makruh for salah, there is no harm in doing so. For example, several tawafs may be performed without offering salah of tawaf from Subh Sadiq till 20 minutes after the appearance of the edge of the sun at sunrise, or after offering Salatul Asr till sunset. However, after the elapsing of makruh time, 2 rakat salah will have to be offered for each tawaf. Number 6, eating is makruh during tawaf, but one may drink water. And number 7, to perform tawaf in the intense need of passing urine or breaking wind. These are the makruh acts in tawaf. And now the 7 permissible acts during sa'i and tawaf. Number 1, to make salam. Number 2, to reply to salam. Number 3, to talk when necessary. Number 4, to drink water. Eating is not allowed during tawaf, but it is allowed during sa'i. Number 5, to recite verses of hamd, naat or mankabat in low voice. Number 6, to pass across the front of someone offering salah, as tawaf is also like salah. However, passing is impermissible during sa'i. Number 7, to ask or answer an Islamic ruling.